Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership. Sign into the email tied to your Roblox account and open the inbox. Once done, scan for receipts or account messages that show transactions, dates, or device names. These prove identity. Make sure to note your username and any recovery phone number. If you can't access email, prepare alternate proofs, screenshots of purchases, console ID, or billing statements. This early evidence speeds the next steps and prevents delays when you contact Roblox support. Now you submit a detailed support ticket. Select account hacked or Authenticator issue and write a precise summary. Say you lost the Authenticator, list the linked email, and request a 2FA reset. Then attach the proofs you gathered, transaction ID, screenshots, device models, and approximate login times. Be concise but thorough. This helps the agent verify quickly. After submission, monitor the email you provided and respond fast to any follow-up questions. When support confirms your identity, follow their steps to remove the old authenticator or reset two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, immediately set up a new Authenticator app and record backup codes in a secure place. Print them or store them in a password manager. Make sure your email is secured with its own 2FA. If something goes wrong, try the support ticket again and include any new receipts. Otherwise, ask for escalation and provide fresh proof promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.